Mindset of a self-made wealth creator. This is a deep topic that has the power to transform lives. Behind every self-made millionaire or billionaire is a mindset that sets them apart. It's a unique way of thinking and approaching life. Number 1. Identifying limiting beliefs. These are the self-imposed mental barriers that silently and insidiously hold us back from achieving our full potential. They can take many forms, from doubts about abilities to fear of failure or success, and even deeply ingrained beliefs about money and success that were shaped by our upbringing or past experiences. It's crucial to recognize and acknowledge these limiting beliefs because they act like invisible chains, constraining our actions and preventing us from taking the bold steps required for wealth creation. This process of self-awareness and reflection is about understanding what these beliefs are, understanding why they exist, and how they've been influencing our decisions. By shedding light on these barriers, we gain the power to challenge and overcome them, clearing the path towards embracing the mindset of a self-made wealth creator. Work on dismantling these mental roadblocks and replacing them with empowering beliefs that fuel your journey towards financial abundance and success. 2. Growth mindset shift. One of the most fundamental shifts you can make is embracing a growth mindset. This transformation goes far beyond the realms of mere success. It's cultivating a mindset that thrives on challenges, seeks out learning opportunities, and ultimately leads to lasting prosperity. The growth mindset shift involves letting go of the limitations imposed by a fixed mindset and understanding that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Viewing failures as stepping stones to growth, this shift empowers you to embrace challenges with enthusiasm, persist in the face of setbacks, and continuously expand your potential. By nurturing this mindset, you'll not only enhance your wealth-creating abilities but also experience personal and professional growth that knows no bounds. So delve deeper into this transformative journey and explore how the growth mindset can unlock your full potential as a self-made wealth creator. 3. Visualizing wealth. In the mindset of a self-made wealth creator, the art of visualization holds incredible potential. Visualization is a potent practice that involves creating a vivid mental image of success and wealth. By immersing oneself in the mental landscape of achievement, individuals can attract wealth and opportunities into their lives. When you consistently visualize your wealth, you tap into the law of attraction, sending out positive energy and signals to the universe. This in turn can lead to increased motivation, focused determination, and a heightened ability to recognize and seize opportunities. Visualization is a tool that empowers self-made wealth creators to stay on course and manifest their financial dreams. 4. Surrounding yourself with positivity. Your environment and the people you associate with have a profound impact on your journey to wealth creation. It's essential to cultivate a circle of positive influences and like-minded people who share your vision and values. These connections can provide encouragement, valuable insights, and opportunities that propel your financial aspirations forward. By immersing yourself in a supportive community, you create a fertile ground for collaboration, idea sharing, and collective growth. Moreover, being around positive influences helps you maintain a constructive mindset, overcome challenges with resilience, and stay motivated on your path to self-made wealth. 5. Goal alignment with values. The alignment of financial goals with personal values and aspirations is a cornerstone of success. When your wealth creation journey is grounded in values, it creates a profound sense of purpose and motivation. This alignment provides you with a clear direction, a compelling reason to persist through challenges, and a sense of fulfillment that transcends mere monetary gains. It's more than just making money, it's about using your wealth as a means to create a life that resonates with your true self. 6. Long-term versus short-term goals. Understanding how they work in tandem to pave the path to prosperity is crucial. Short-term goals provide you with a sense of immediacy and milestones to track your progress. They keep you focused on the here and now, ensuring that you're taking actionable steps to move forward. On the other hand, long-term goals cast the vision of your financial future and provide the overarching purpose behind your wealth-building efforts. They instill patience, discipline, and a commitment to the bigger picture. The synergy between these two types of goals is where the magic happens. Short-term goals fuel your daily actions, while long-term goals provide the roadmap for your journey. Balancing these goals within the mindset of a self-made wealth creator is key to building lasting prosperity. 7. Savings and budgeting strategies. The significance of disciplined savings, effective budgeting, and embracing a frugal lifestyle is paramount. Savings serve as the foundation of financial security and future investments, providing a safety net in times of uncertainty. Effective budgeting empowers you to allocate resources strategically, ensuring that every dollar serves a purpose and brings you closer to your financial goals. Embracing frugality means making thoughtful choices and prioritizing long-term prosperity over short-term indulgence. These strategies collectively form the bedrock of wealth creation, allowing you to grow your wealth steadily, weather economic storms, and seize opportunities when they arise. Step into a world where financial dreams become reality. Unlock the keys to success with BraylenAV.com. Subscribe now and start your journey towards financial mastery. 8. Creating passive income. In the mindset of a self-made wealth creator, the concept of creating passive income is a pivotal strategy for achieving financial freedom. Recognizing that your time and energy are valuable resources that can be leveraged to generate income even when you're not actively working, passive income streams can come from various sources that operate on autopilot. By diversifying your income streams and focusing on building assets that generate cash flow without constant effort, you can secure your financial future and break free from the limitations of trading time for money. 9. Entrepreneurship and side ventures. Both are dynamic strategies for bolstering financial security. Recognizing the potential to start and manage side businesses or entrepreneurial endeavors alongside your primary income source, these supplementary ventures can serve as valuable safety nets, offering additional streams of income and diversifying your financial portfolio. Entrepreneurship instills a sense of autonomy, allowing you to leverage your skills, talents, and passions to create value and generate wealth on your terms. By nurturing this entrepreneurial spirit, you not only increase your financial protection, but also open doors to new opportunities, personal growth, and the fulfillment of your creative and financial aspirations. 10. Real estate. It's not just owning properties, it's about leveraging them strategically to build and grow your wealth. Real estate investments offer a unique blend of stability, cash flow potential, and appreciation over time. Whether you're exploring residential properties, commercial real estate, or real estate investment trusts, the goal is to make informed decisions that align with your financial objectives. It's recognizing that real estate isn't just a physical asset, it's a pathway to financial security and wealth creation. By understanding the nuances of real estate markets, financing options, and property management, you can harness the power of it to generate passive income, build equity, and secure your financial future. 11. Building resilience through income diversity. The key takeaway here is that relying solely on one source of income can leave you vulnerable, and in the ever-changing landscape of finance and economics, adaptability is paramount. Diversifying your income streams, whether it's through investments, side hustles, or passive income sources, can provide you with a safety net when unexpected challenges arise. It's a strategy employed by many successful entrepreneurs and investors who understand that financial stability is about being prepared for the inevitable setbacks. 12. Tracking progress and adjusting goals. In the mindset of a self-made wealth creator, the practice of tracking progress and adjusting goals is an essential element of long-term financial success. Regularly assessing your progress allows you to stay on course, make great decisions, and adapt to changing circumstances. It empowers you to celebrate your achievements, identify areas for improvement, and maintain a sense of accountability. Moreover, this iterative process ensures that your goals remain aligned with your evolving aspirations and financial landscape. Tracking progress and adjusting goals isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing mindset that keeps you motivated and resilient on the path to wealth creation. 13. The positivity paradigm. The positivity paradigm is a transformative force in attracting wealth and abundance. Cultivating a mindset that radiates positivity, optimism, and gratitude is key. This paradigm shift is rooted in the belief that a positive attitude attracts positive outcomes, including financial success. By focusing on solutions rather than problems, maintaining an unwavering belief in your abilities, and expressing gratitude for what you have, you create a magnetic force that draws opportunities and prosperity into your life. It's understanding that your thoughts and emotions have a direct impact on your financial reality, and by embracing the positivity paradigm, you can unlock your full wealth-creating potential. 14. Continuous learning and adaptation. This is paramount. Lifelong learning serves as a compass for informed decision-making, enabling you to stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving financial landscape. This includes staying informed about financial markets, emerging trends, and economic conditions. Having the agility to adapt your wealth accumulation tactics in response to changing circumstances and opportunities is crucial. By embracing a mindset of continuous improvement, you position yourself to make well-informed financial choices, seize advantageous moments, and navigate challenges with resilience. 15. From consumer to creator. The pivotal transformation from being a consumer to becoming a creator marks a fundamental shift in perspective. This shift involves moving from passive consumption to active contribution, where you harness your skills, talent, and ideas to generate value for others and yourself. It's recognizing the power of creation, innovation, and entrepreneurship. By adopting the mindset of a creator, you open doors to limitless opportunities, financial autonomy, and the ability to shape your own destiny. 16. The foundation of sound investments. In the mindset of a self-made wealth creator, the foundation of sound investments is built upon a deep understanding of fundamental principles and knowledge. Diversification ensures that your investments are spread across various asset classes, reducing risk and increasing the potential for growth. Risk management involves assessing your risk tolerance and creating a balanced portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. A long-term perspective reminds you that wealth accumulation is a marathon, not a sprint, encouraging patience and discipline. By embracing these principles and continually expanding your investment knowledge, you can build a solid foundation for successful wealth building through investments. 17. Value investing approach. The value investing approach emphasizes the patient and methodical pursuit of undervalued assets. It emphasizes the importance of in-depth research, analysis, and a keen eye for identifying assets that are trading below their intrinsic value. By focusing on these undervalued opportunities, investors can position themselves for sustainable wealth growth over the long term. This approach aligns with the mindset of a self-made wealth creator, as it encourages discipline, patience, and a commitment to fundamental principles. 18. The power of compounding. The concept of compounding is deceptively simple yet profoundly impactful. When you invest wisely and allow your earnings to generate additional earnings, your wealth multiplies exponentially. This financial phenomenon can turn small, consistent contributions into substantial assets. Real-world examples, such as the compounding effect of interest, dividends, or even business growth, vividly illustrate how this principle has shaped the fortunes of many self-made wealth creators. By harnessing the power of compounding, you not only accumulate wealth but also set the stage for a financially secure and prosperous future. We delve deep into the remarkable mindset of self-made wealth creators. We've uncovered the invaluable principles and insights that underpin Millionaire's extraordinary success. It's crucial to grasp that this mindset isn't solely about accumulating wealth. It's a philosophy of abundance, resilience, and continuous self-improvement. Adopting this mindset is within everyone's reach. Whether you're starting your journey or are already on your way, these can serve as your lessons. So set ambitious goals, embrace challenges, and always believe in your potential. Your path to financial prosperity is just beginning, and you're now armed with the wisdom we've gathered.